So basically, this was my Sony 373, and when I was putting discs in, having had it in storage for quite a number of years without using it, every disc I put in was getting an error, which is code C13 read error, and then it would spit out the disc. So what I did, I took the top off to have a look at it and to see the mechanism going in, and basically when I was putting the disc in, nothing was really happening. It goes in, but I can't even see the disc spinning or anything. It just sort of sits there, does nothing, and then eventually spits it out. So what I did, I took, here I've taken the front off, but you don't need to take the front off, so don't worry about that. But basically, if you look at that little catch on the side of the disc tray, if you push that in, then that allows the tray to move backwards. So by pushing it in and holding it, if you then turn that wheel at the back anti-clockwise, that will wind the tray back and reveal the laser. So that's me winding it anti-clockwise, as I say, I think it was, while holding the metal pin in, and the black top bit of the tray moves backwards and slides over those cogs to reveal the laser. Now here, excuse my terminology, but I've got the laser, which is the clear little bulb thing under there. The laser head thingy is the kind of arm thing sticking out over the top, and the little cog is down there on the left. Now, what you need to do with the laser is, and the thing I did first of all, is to clean the laser. And I used just a cotton bud with a bit of isopropyl alcohol sprayed onto it, and then I just rubbed it clean. The head was, the bulb did look misty, so by putting the cotton bud on it, it did clear it up quite nicely. I then plugged things back in and tested it again, but it still was coming back with the same error, and there was no real noticeable difference. So then what I did is move the little cog thing, which is kind of the little cog at the front, and again, if you move that anti-clockwise, what it does, it makes the laser head arm thingy move to the right hand side. And when I tried doing this initially, it did feel like it was a bit sort of stuck. It felt a bit stiff, and I wasn't sure at first if actually moving it was doing anything at all. But then I realised that it did kind of, it had loosened up a bit, and it was moving that arm laser head thingy across to the right hand side. So once you've got that going, I just kept winding it until the laser head thingy had moved all the way over to the right hand side. You can see in that photo there that the laser head thingy is now in a different position. So once that was done, I then wound the tray back using that cog at the back, the original cog at the back. I wound that tray back, and then I connected everything. Thankfully, on this occasion, that had been the thing that done it. So I think, although the laser head probably needed, the laser itself needed cleaning, I think actually the problem was that arm was stuck because it wasn't moving at all. Whereas, and I don't think you can see it necessarily on this video, but this time when the disc goes in, it moves across and looks like disc spinning and doing stuff. So I hope that will help someone.